What is up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So in today's video I'm just going to give you a quick update of what's going on in the garage. So actually a couple of subscribers requested that I give them an update on the KDX build, and we'll jump into that now. And another subscriber wanted me to kind of give a breakdown on the KTM, so let's get into it. If you guys have been watching the channel, you would have seen that I am busy rebuilding my 1994 KDX 250. So at the moment we've got it all the way torn down, and we are almost set to go for powder coating. So there's been a slight delay in the build due to some budget issues, but that will hopefully soon be resolved, and the build should continue, and the next build video should be out mid-November, early to mid-November, let's say that. So what we're going to do in November, or what I still have to do, I need to take all the hardware out of the box here and just document everything, and then we are sending everything in the tub for zinc coating. And zinc coating and powder coating, and the frame's going to get powder coated. And then there's still some stuff like the handlebars and, you know, like the electronics and whatever that needs to be cleaned up. So hopefully in mid-November we'll have everything back and we can start the reassembly process. One more thing on the KDX build that I forgot: we've got the rims torn down, but the spokes are like seized in here, so I'm gonna have to cut the spokes out. So if any of you guys know about a place where I can get or source new spokes for these rims, it'll be the same as the KDX 200 rims, please leave a comment below or send me a message. I would love to get an opinion from you guys as to who to source parts from. Okay, I think that's it for the KDX build for now. Now on to the KTM. This is my 2012 KTM 300 XCW, and the breakdown of this bike, it's pretty much a bone stock KTM 300. It's got the stock pipes and everything on it. We've got some a shark fin on the back here. We've got a bat tire with a moose in. We have what's left of a hide guard that's supposed to come up to about here to protect the exhaust. And out in front we've got an Neuro Engineering disc protector. For the front tire we are running a Mitas C21, but it is almost time to replace that as well. Hopefully pretty soon we'll get some fresh rubber on these tires, fresh rubber on the wheels, and I'm not looking forward to changing the wheels, but I'm gonna do it for you guys on video anyways. We have also got some radiator braces on both of the radiators, and we also have a fan. So chances of overheating the bike, or actually, like, in the year that I've owned this bike, I've never overheated it once. It's never boiled over. And the work that I've recently done to the bike, I replaced the swing arm bearings. They were really worn out. Like, there was a lot of lateral movement on the swing arm, and I think that's kind of why I've been struggling on the rocks and stuff, because the bike actually wouldn't track straight. And even with the DeVault footage that is coming out now, I felt a massive difference in the way that the bike handled with the new swing arm bearings. I wanted to make a video on that, but unfortunately the tool that I made to extract the bearings broke, and it was just a mess, and the footage was a disaster. So I ended up not using that footage. We've got some hand guards, and that's about it. Some broken foot pegs. So this is essentially the main bike on the channel, and the main bike I use to produce content. So if you guys are at the track and you recognize the bike, or you recognize me, come over, say hi, and we can ride together. I don't mind it at all, and I actually enjoy connecting with you guys. So yeah, definitely do that if you see me out on the tracks. That is it for this quick update video. If you guys enjoy the videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button, and sharing it with your mates. I would greatly appreciate it, and it would help the channel out massively. So that's it for today. Peace out and keep ripping.